Hey everyone, and welcome back. Get ready for some big news shaking up the financial world. Pittsburgh-based PNC Financial has just announced a massive deal, agreeing to acquire Colorado's FirstBank in a multi-billion-dollar transaction. This isn't just another business deal, it's a strategic move set to significantly expand PNC's presence and reshape the banking landscape in the American Southwest. So, what are the details of this mega deal? PNC will acquire FirstBank for $4.1 billion. The transaction is structured as 70% stock and 30% cash, with FirstBank stockholders set to receive approximately 13.9 million PNC shares and $1.2 billion in cash. This is a significant investment for PNC, aimed at strengthening its position as a leading national bank. FirstBank, headquartered in Lakewood, Colorado, currently operates 95 branches across Colorado and Arizona and holds around $27 billion in assets. When this acquisition closes, PNC's total assets will soar to approximately $575 billion, putting it firmly in the league of rivals like Capital One and U.S. Bank. PNC's chairman and CEO, William Demchak, called FirstBank, quote, the standout branch banking franchise in Colorado and Arizona. He emphasized its strong base of loyal retail deposits, its unmatched branch network in Colorado, and its growing footprint in Arizona, along with its trusted community relationships. These factors make it an ideal partner for PNC's ambitious growth plans. This acquisition is a huge win for PNC's expansion strategy. It will immediately elevate Colorado to one of PNC's top markets nationwide, more than tripling its branch network in the state to 120 locations. In Denver specifically, PNC expects to become the top banking firm, capturing 20% of the retail deposit share and 14% of the branch share. Denver will also become one of PNC's largest markets for corporate and business banking, showing the depth of the strategic move. The deal also extends PNC's reach in Arizona, adding 13 FirstBank branches to its existing presence, bringing its total in the state to more than 70 branches. The goal is to leverage FirstBank's strong local connections to expand PNC's corporate and private banking services across these fast-growing states. This isn't PNC's first rodeo when it comes to major acquisitions. The company has a strong history of successfully integrating acquired banks, including the U.S. operations of Spanish lender BBVA in 2021 for $11.6 billion, and RBC's Southeast business back in 2012. This latest move aligns perfectly with PNC's strategy to add scale and grow nationally, positioning itself as a coast-to-coast banking franchise. PNC has also been actively opening new branches, particularly in the Southwest, with plans to open 200 new branches in 12 cities over the next 5 years, alongside renovating 1,400 existing locations. Financially, PNC is looking strong. The company recently reported excellent second quarter results for 2025, with earnings per share of $3.85, easily beating the projected $3.55. Its revenue of $5.66 billion also topped forecast. Analysts are optimistic, with HSBC raising PNC's price target to $219 from $213, maintaining a buy rating. PNC's stock price is currently about 14 times its annual earnings, suggesting it may still be undervalued. Plus, it's delivered a nearly 20% return over the past year and boasts over 3% dividend yield, having maintained dividend payments for 55 years in a row. This acquisition is happening in a fascinating time for the banking industry. With a more relaxed regulatory environment, many large banks are looking to consolidate. This PNC FirstBank merger is the second largest U.S. bank deal proposed this year, following the $8.6 billion merger between Pinnacle and Synovus. PNC is often referred to as a super regional bank, a group of large national banks that are growing rapidly to better compete with the giants like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and JP Morgan Chase. PNC has committed to retaining all the FirstBank's branches and customer-facing teams. And FirstBank CEO Kevin Klassen will join PNC as the Colorado Regional President and Mountain Territory Executive, overseeing Arizona and Utah. Both banks also share a strong commitment to community, with FirstBank known for raising over $500 million for local nonprofits. While this deal looks like a big win for PNC, some groups are watching closely. There have been reports highlighting past lending disparities by FirstBank in Colorado and Arizona, particularly concerning loans to African Americans compared to white borrowers. The transaction is expected to finalize in early 2026, pending all necessary regulatory and shareholder approvals. This acquisition is a clear signal of PNC's determination to grow and solidify its national presence. It's an exciting time to watch the banking sector. What do you think about this major bank merger? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more financial updates, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.